The grocery store is open. They cannot get in the hive fast enough. We'll walk down here and look at some of the big hives. That's Monica's mating nukes. Those are equivalent to 4 deep frame hives. But the grocery store is open. Aster's been blooming about a week. And last night when, as you can see, I mowed the grass yesterday. As I mowed grass yesterday, oh good Lord, you smell it already. Whew, not even down there yet. You can smell the stink of fall. This is September the 27th, 28th, 28th. I think. One of those 2 days. And these hives are just as active. Where they've been last 2 days, they've just been lollygagging around. Whew, this bee yard stinks. So like I said, it's September the 27th, 28th, and the smell just started. People will say it's the goldenrod. Well, it's not. Goldenrod has been blooming since the last week of July, excuse me. These hives are just busy where they're all just sitting out on the landing board and doing much of nothing the last couple of days. Well, actually, last couple of weeks. But you've got bees going, I mean, look at this one. This is just straight in and out, straight in and out. See pollen going in, you see them hitting the landing board hard. Those poor girls are loaded. This one over here just in and out, in and out. Well, let's go up here and look at this row up here. I don't know if you can see all of them flying in the sun. I love seeing the wings glistening in the sun. I mean, same thing. Just as fast as they can go in and out. So the grocery store is open. Enjoy the smell. I know I am. Have a great day.